Natural disasters are unfortunately a part of our life, and there's many occasions where it can affect our community within the beauty industry.
This is a time that we all need to pull together to make such a huge difference. Our industry needs help more than ever. The PBA Disaster Relief Fund is set up. We need donations. We need your help immediately.
Please donate what you can. I encourage you, put a jar on the front desk at the salon, talk to your clients about it, ask them if they could throw a few dollars in.
100% of all the funds will go to disaster release efforts in the country right now.
Visit probeauty.org/DRF to donate now or apply for aid.